snap, and it lights.
Opens itself.
1, 2, 3.
Pop open your lighter.
The pants strike. Take the flame and pull it off and throw it right back on.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. Last week I got this comment. Hey bro, it's time for you to do magic for adults. The kiddo tricks are cool, but getting ridiculous. LOL. Well, put the kids to bed, because this is 6 magic tricks with Zippo lighters.
Summon the burning rain of death.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. First up is an absolutely mind-blowing trick that you can do at home. So check it out. I have the flame on the Zippo lit right here. Watch, nothing in my hand. I'm just gonna reach over and actually remove the flame. Now watch, I can actually throw it right back on the lighter, just like that. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here is the secret to pulling the flame off a lighter and then magically restoring it. This is super easy to do, and you can do it with any Zippo lighter. So when you first get the lighter, the only real preparation you have to do is to find the wick right here in the middle, and you're gonna bend it down just like that so that the wick is kind of sideways and bent over. Now what this is gonna do when you light the lighter, it's gonna create the flame like normal, but when you quickly run your fingers over the top, the flame will then sit down inside the chamber and continue to burn. And then all you have to do to get it to restore is give the lighter a little shake. Here's a really cool flourishy way to pop open your lighter. So all you're gonna do here is take these 2 fingers, the middle and the forefinger, they're gonna go on top of the lighter just like this. The thumb is going to go on the bottom. You're going to apply pressure as if you're trying to bring these fingers together, and you're going to let these top fingers slide off first, which is just going to pop the lid open like that, and it's going to end with you holding the lighter just like this, sandwiched between the fingers. So from a side, it is like that. And I'll show you one more time here in slow motion. This is called the Snap Start. It's a fun, flourishy little way to light your lighter, and it was made famous by the movie Reservoir Dogs. Take the lighter, hold it at your fingertips, snap, and it lights. This one's kind of self-explanatory. The motion to light the Zippo is obviously a downward motion on this little wheel right here to strike the flint and ignite the flame. So what we're going to do is actually use the motion of our middle finger in the process of a snap. You can see the finger coming down like this is going to then strike the wheel of the lighter. Now you won't always get it on the first try. Sometimes you might snap a couple times and miss it. And that's totally normal. Just keep practicing. This is the Snap Start. Okay, here's a really cool way to open your Zippo. This is called the Pants Strike. 1, 2, 3, the quickest way to light your lighter. Now this one is very easy to do and also kind of self-explanatory. You're gonna take the lighter and you're going to hold it against the side of your pants. It's kind of like a quick draw thing. You can pull it right out of your pocket. You open it against the pants, using your pants to press backwards against the top of the lighter just like that. So as you pull back, it's going to open it up like this. Then you're immediately going to start rolling it forward, which is going to engage the strike wheel. And as you can see, the lighter will light just like that. So I'll show you in slow motion. It goes back, the lid opens, and then you slide it forward to engage the strike wheel, and as it rolls, it lights the lighter. This one is a really cool way to close your lighter without ever touching the lid. 1, 2, 3. I'll show you the secret right now. Okay, here is the secret to the self-closing lighter. This is really just a flick of the wrist.
Look at the flick of that wrist.
So once you've lit the lighter, all you do is bring your hand forward and then jolt it back. So it's gonna go forward and then back. And on the back swing is where this is gonna close. Quick demonstration in slow motion. The hand goes forward and then back. So now we can combine all of the elements we've learned to do a really cool routine with this. So we can present the lighter, pop it open, snap the start, take the flame and remove it, throw it back on, and then magically close it. Watch the lighter if I just concentrate on it. The top magically opens by itself. Okay, here is the explanation to the self-opening lighter trick. This one is so cool. I invented this just for this video, so I guarantee you've never seen it before. Once you have it set up, it is so easy to do. You just concentrate and you can cause the top of the lighter to just open inexplicably. It seems totally impossible. It looks like there's some sort of invisible string or something attached to the top, but that is not the secret to this one. Before I reveal it, go ahead and take a guess how you think this is done in the comments section. You think it's magnets? You think it's invisible thread? You think it's some sort of trick lighter? Go ahead and leave your comment now and let me know how you think this one is done. So I'll show you this extremely close up so you get one more take of it before you make your guess. The lighter just opens by itself. Look. So you can do this slow like you just saw me do, where it kind of looks like someone's just pulling it up slowly and then it pops open. Or if you want it to pop open faster, okay, here is how it's done. I'm gonna reveal the secret to you now. Check this out. I have a little wire running right out of the back of the lighter, and it is attached around my body. I'm gonna show you how we set this up right now. You're gonna start with some 24 gauge wire. This is available at most any hardware store. You could also use the wire from a picture frame or perhaps a piece of thick fishing line. So you're gonna take a length about 2 to 3 feet long. It needs to be long enough to wrap around your torso. You're also going to need some wire snips or some scissors, and you're gonna clip off your section of wire just like that. Now our next step is to attach this end of the wire to the lighter, and we're going to do it through a specific part of the lighter. You're going to open it up and it's going to go through this hole right here and just push it right up through. Now our next step is to bend the end of this. Just want to bend it over a couple times like this to create an anchor so that it will not pull through the hole. Once you have it anchored, in place, you're then going to close up the top of the lighter like this, and now we're going to attach the other end to our body. You're going to wrap around and then anchor it in place just like this. So now that I have this jacket on, you can see it is hidden quite nicely by the jacket, and if we hold it out in front just like this, our secret apparatus should be invisible to the audience. So we have to maintain this angle. Then all you have to do is put pressure forward, meaning put some tension on this wire like this, and the tension you put on the wire will cause the lighter to open, creating the illusion that you have just magically opened it with your mind, or it's somehow opening on its own. So the key is to remember that it's very angle sensitive. You don't want to move it like this or too far down or too far up because you'll expose the gimmick. And then all you have to do to deploy it, you can add a little bit of acting like you're using your mind power to make it open. You can do it slow. So try this one out at home, be safe, have fun, and let me know if you fool anyone with this. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We make new magic videos like this every single week here on How To Magic, so if you like videos like this, you like to learn new magic skills, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you see all of our uploads. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 6 mystery prizes from EvanEraTV.com. That is our online magic shop. Head over to the link in the description at EvanEraTV.com. Take a look at all of our different products and leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know which one you want to win. I'll be going through the comments section and picking 6 random winners and mailing out the prizes to you. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. If you won the giveaway, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you.